counting down from?
Let's do 7.
7.
7 1,000.
Oh.
6 1,000.
5 1,000. 4 1,000. Go! Hello everyone, we are in San Diego today celebrating Daniel's birthday. He's paying for the meter right now. We're gonna grab some brunch. We have an hour before our first thing. We're gonna be driving some boats and then we're gonna kayak and then we have dinner and then maybe do a hike if we have time, if time permits, because the sun's been going down so early here, but we shall see. I'm very excited. No.
Who are you flexing on that hard, baby?
Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. His drink literally has bacon in it. There's so many dogs down there. Look at the view. Wow, I'm pretty sure we're going on the other side though. Oh, right over here. Look at that. So beautiful.
We're gonna be pretty close together in there, about 10 yards apart, which is 3 boat lengths. Okay, once we get outside. All right, everybody's got a life jacket, right? Cool. All right, you guys.
Oh, it is a beautiful day. Look at this. I wonder which ones are going to be driving. I think it's those. I'm super nervous. They have to teach us and everything, but I can't wait.
Yeah, when we get down there, yeah. Yeah, no problem.
You excited?
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries. Bye, Riley.
Look, move forward.
I really hope you were listening to the instructions because I wasn't, and I'm really nervous. I mean, I just didn't really understand.
All I know is pedal to the metal. Throttle to the fly.
You better not kill me, boy.
You said we can't flip it over even if we tried. I'm trying.
As you can see, I can turn the wheel and the motor moves, but the propeller is not spinning. So you can't actually steer the boat when it's in neutral. If you're going forward and you want to...
I'm so excited. We got the fastest one.
The sports upgrade.
The sports upgrade.
He said
so
try not to
beautiful.
flex too hard. No,
Oh snap. He said yank.
Yeah, straight line behind the boat in front of you. Yep.
This is so pretty. Every day. Okay.
Is this more San Diego?
Ew. Oh.
During that time period, conventionally.
Ooh.
That way traffic won't cut us off.
That's really cool. Where?
They're fake.
Oh yeah. Why are all those people cheering?
For us.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Why are you lying to me? This is the one from Pirates of the Caribbean. Is it this one or is it that one?
No, what one?
That one?
Go to what on
in 1906.
Huh.
And this old Russian submarine here off to my right was used during the Soviet Union during the Cold War, more specifically during the Cuban Missile Crisis.
Do you like Better Buzz or do you like this one better?
I'm a Better Buzz kind of guy.
Really?
I'm all
I
about
feel like
buzz.
I feel like I like Better Buzz for everything but their coffees. Like it's not horrible, but their acai bowls are like the most amazing thing ever. I'm very tired. It's starting to hit me.
Oh, we didn't even hit the kayaking yet?
I know. How many hours did I sleep? Like 4?
Oh, did they?
Huh?
Oh, good God. 4 hours of kayaking?
No, I said how many hours did I sleep?
Oh, yeah. Like 3.
4. 3, 4. But the kayaking will be fun. I think it's just gonna make us really tired.
Yeah, get that ultra ab and ass workout in.
Okay, so this is my favorite. It's right here in Little Italy. It's Cafe Italia. It's really cute. It's like authentic, as far as I know, Italian food and coffees, and they're just so good. I highly recommend the Vietnamese and the white chocolate.
How many minutes?
I'm excited. 15 minutes, boy. It won't focus, but
Oh, I thought that just said 16.
no, it did, and then got closer.
Look, little babies.
Oh, I love that about San Diego. There's dogs everywhere. We're on a good one today. We've had like easy parking everywhere. Things have been going our way. It's been great. I'm very happy about this. I need to pee though.
That's
because
right.
I'm about to pee on somebody's really pretty La Jolla yard. I really want to take you to that view spot, the one I went to with Austin.
Yeah.
I really think you'd like it. Anyways, can't cross the street and talk to the log. I'm so excited!
For the bathroom?
Well, yes, to pee, but also just to kayak. We are here at the kayaking place. I actually can't take my vlog out there, so I'm just saying bye. I'm super excited. We're about to wetsuit up, and I will tell you how it goes afterwards. So we are back. This is what I look like. It was so much fun. I jumped in, we went into the caves, and when we were coming back to shore, we fell out of the boat, but it was a really fun time. Also, look at how cute this place is. Even the little like dressing rooms have maps all over the walls. Oh, there's me. Okay, I lost my falsies in the ocean. Just kidding, no I didn't, but I had to take them off. But the girl who took pictures for us sent them to me, and look at how cute they are. Look. Hold on. I like, which one do I like? I like this one. Or no, it's not this one. It's, I can't even see it. I'm focusing. Is it this one? We look so cute. Look. I love her for doing that. That was so nice of her. We literally, do you think about how weird that is? Like, we literally were just in the middle of the ocean. Ah, you're not focusing. Okay, anyways, what I was saying was, do you think about how weird that is? Like, we literally were in the middle of the ocean, and we asked the stranger to send us pics. I was like, I'll give you my number, just send them. They came out cute though, I'm really glad.
Yeah, she was super nice.
She was really nice. She was really pretty too, she had nice skin.
They're from LA.
I know, I was hearing her tell the other guide who said he was from San Francisco. We're gonna go get food right now.
Coyote.
We're hungry. We've had a heck of a day. I was gonna take him to this view, but honestly we're really tired and I have a project to do. And it's been a lot, but I'm excited. It's gonna be really cute. I imagine it looking like Coco in there. Does it have the little banners? Like hanging? It does, huh? Because I saw the pictures. Yeah, it's cute. I'm excited! Margaritas. And of course we're sitting by the football.
You gotta do it. Happy birthday.
It's your birthday.
Happy birthday.
It's your fucking birthday. It's your fucking birthday.
The thing is, it's our birthday.
I know, I feel like we've already done so much for your birthday that I don't even have the energy to celebrate mine.
But we're gonna be in Boston for you.
Boston, baby.
Boston, motherfucker.
I'm excited. All right.
Check it out.
So bye.
See you next week in Boston. I knew you were gonna do that.